I think it was a record-setting day of snow in Toronto.
Biggest snowstorm, or the most snow that Ontario or Toronto has had. Glad the whole team jumped on an airplane and got out of there as well. Pretty stoked to be here.
King of the Hammers, baby. The guy at the counter's like, oh yeah, this is the hybrid one. You're gonna love it.
All right, so here we are. We're at KOH 2026, 20th anniversary here for Dave and the team. We basically drove from Huntsville, Ontario, Canada, where MBRP factory is, to KOH, virtually non-stop. So the first night drive through, the 36 hours I think we had done, basically caught up to us. We grabbed 6 hours of sleep in the truck. Before you know it, we're sitting here in the lake bed. Oh man, can you tell I haven't slept? We're sitting here in the lake bed at KOH. So yeah, it's just a blessing to have everybody here.
Yeah, so we've done all the fluids, all the bolts, all the suspension's been changed out, and we haven't used them yet. So we're gonna go for a short drive so we can come back, check all the bolts, check all the fluids, and just see where everything is. And this current run is just to make sure the suspension travels okay and that we're comfortable with them, how they're working. We've got a few small projects that we're trying to complete, generators, suspension adjustments, and then GoPro footage. So we're trying to get all that together before we take our first run.
Right now, we're just trying to figure out toe in and how it changes through the stroke and where to set it and what ride height we're going to be at. Just trying to get initial setup done to go do some testing on, and we'll see what ride height we're at with our driver and co-driver in there and fuel, and then have a baseline to start working with. Right now we have new components on here that we just want to see how they're operating, because they're designed more for going over through the rocks, more clearance. We just want to see how it's changing the geometry for the desert run, and try to find out what's going to be optimum for us to have a baseline to get started with.
California. We're at the top of Chocolate Thunder. It's windy, it's chilly, but we got a beautiful, beautiful sunset out here. We're day one. Lots to come.